med sjans, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløben som om hver dag var en
shake it, baby.
Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel, Egyptian Filipina vlog. Our recipe for today is the penne pasta. Okay, we will make creamy pasta, and first we will cook the noodles. Okay, here now already I put the water, and we need to put oil. We'll boil first the macaroni. Okay, oil, and then followed by the salt. Asin po, lalagyan natin ng asin para hindi po siya magdikit-dikit. We will put oil and salt so that the pasta will not sticky. Or now water is boiling now, so we will put now the penne pasta noodles. This one, I'm using this long noodles, penne ziti riget. Now finish to cook now the macaroni noodles. This one we cook it already. Okay, and we will follow to cook the sauce. I put it already there, the hala, and then this one we'll cook it with butter. We will load it first. Okay, we will load the fire. And then we will put one maggi cubes. This is optional, okay, because sometimes if we are cooking, we need to create other ingredients for our cook, that it will become also not same with the others are doing. Okay, let's fix it like this. Okay, and we will follow by the flour. Is 3 spoons of flour. We'll mix it. We'll always mix because it will, so that it will melt, para hindi siya buo-buo. Yan. Then we will add now fresh milk. Now we separate to cook garlic, and then we will add it in the sauce. Okay, this is my new style. This one because too much hot, and we will put garlic. We will saute. We will let it to little brown, and then we will add it in this sauce. You can put it now in the serving bowl.